Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi Pad 2. This Wi-Fi version 4GB memory and 128GB storage. Open box and look completation. We have 11-inch display, 9000 mAh battery, advanced Helio G100 Ultra, this CPU, and quad speakers. Okay. We have plastic body, camera on the back side, on this side warm buttons, power buttons, and Type-C port, speaker and headphones jack. Okay, in completation we have only cable. Okay, turn on device. We have Android 15, HyperOS version 2.0.1, and open tests. Geekbench 6, look, CPU test results and GPU test results. GPU we have LG 57 MC2. Single core score, multi-core score results, and GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results, okay, and start PUBG Mobile on the max graphic level for this device. Okay, game load, graphics high and medium. Okay, works good. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.